Hi, welcome to this video on data sorting part 2. In the previous video, we looked at how to sort data by ascending order and descending order. In this video, we're going to look at how data will be sorted using a particular cell color or font color. Now, this is similar data to the one we used in the previous video. And as a recap, remember we said data can be sorted either using ascending order or descending order, and we also learned the shortcut keys to sorting in ascending order and descending order. Ascending order, we said Alt ASA will give us the sorted data by ascending order. Alt ASD will give us sorted data in descending order. So if I'm sorting this place by descending order, I'll just take my Alt, A, S, and D for descending. So you see, these have been sorted in descending order. Ascending order will be Alt A S A. We did this in the previous video. Now we are sorting this data this time not by value but by cell color. Now for some reasons you notice that some of these staff number have been colored. We have yellow here, we have orange, and then we have blue. Now we need to sort this to bring particular colors together. Either we bring in the blue followed by yellow, then the orange. Now if you're sorting using cell color, first highlight your data and go to the usual data tab and come straight to sort. Now we have this. The data header is already checked, which means we have our first row as our header rows. Now sort by, those colored cells are under staff number, so we're going to select staff number as our sort column header. Now the next section here is cell value, but we're not sorting by set value this time, we're sorting by color. So we click on this, and apart from cell color, we now see that there is cell color, which is what we want, not values. So I select cell values. Now the moment you select cell color, another section opens up here asking you the order in which you want to sort those colors. Now if you click here, you will see all the colors apart from white. White is the default color, so it will not be shown as a color. So we have 3 colors. Now let's assume we want blue color to come on top. So I select blue. We take the next one, which is add value, add level, and I'm still sorting by that staff number, this time also cell color, and I'm having this to come next, and then I take add another level because I have another color. So I'm still going to sort by staff number, and this time cell color, and I'll select that last one. So I have these 3 colors, first blue, second the orange, and then yellow, and I take my OK. Now you see the blues have come together followed by the orange and then yellow, while the white will come last. That's how to sort using cell color. Now let's move on to the next sheet and see how we can sort using font color. Now some of these fonts, by default we write with black, some of these fonts have been written with red. Now I want to sort this data using font color. So I highlight my data, come to sort, and then I select staff number because that is the column where I have those red colored fonts. So here I'm going to select font color. I select font color, and it's going to show me the color of the font, which is red, and I say I want it on top. If I want those colored ones at the bottom, I select bottom. But now let's put them on top. So I'm going to take on top and I click OK. Now you see all those colored cells, they've all been moved to the top. That's how to sort using font color. So we've sorted in the previous video in ascending, descending order. Now we've also sorted using the cell color as well as the font color. Thank you for listening, and bye bye.